Awesome! You are ready to greet people like a pro. This time, let's add a smile and a wave. Ready?
Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, I'm good too. Wave your hand, say hi with a smile. Let's be friends and chat a while. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, I'm good too.
Hello, and welcome to English Klasa. If you're just starting to learn English, then this is the perfect place for you. Today, we're going to learn 10 simple English words. These words are easy to remember and you'll start using them right away. Hello. This is how we greet someone. Hello, my name is Miss Klasa. Yeah. Yes. Do you want coffee? Yes. No. Do you speak French? No. I speak English. Please. Please is a polite word. Can I have water, please? Thank you. Thank you. We use this when someone helps us. Here's your food. Thank you. Sorry. Sorry is what we say when we make a mistake or hurt someone's feelings. I'm sorry I was late. Good. Good. Good means something is nice or okay. How are you? Good. Bad. Bad means something is not good. Oh, the food is bad. Water. Water is something we drink every day. I need a glass of water. Food. Food is what we eat. Great job! You just learned 10 of the most important words in English. Keep practicing these words every day and you'll be surprised how quickly you improve. In the comments, write a short sentence using any of these 10 words. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time here on English Klasa, where learning English is fun and just for you.